What's up guys, I got some In-N-Out today. And this is how I use CalAI to track my calories.
It's that first meal of the day. Dude, it's been like forever. I haven't had this in so long. Hey. Ooh, a low kick today. He's crunchy. Can y'all hear that crunch? Them fries crispy, boy. I prefer this over an actual burger now. Got Dave's hot chicken. All right, peace.
Got churches today. Look at that. We got a pepper. More pepper. Mashed potatoes, a little more extra gravy. I don't got a spoon. We're gonna use the bone. Cheers. More gravy. Another pepper. This bite can be for you. Cheers. I like to pop the joint out, like pop the bone out. You got like a little wing. Oh, the skin is the best part. Sweet tea on the side, and I did not ask for ice. Fuck ice, but we're still finna drink it. Get a scoop of mashed potatoes. A new pepper. Whoa. Yo, I just bit this bone, almost cracked my fucking tooth. Just pop it back and like twist, and then the bone is gone now. Now you can just eat your chicken. Look at all that. Some pepper. Y'all, look at all this skin and that little bit of chicken. Y'all, this is the perfect bite. Put a pepper in it and then wrap it. Look at that bite. Cheers. Scoop up some mashed potatoes. A new pepper. My last bite.
First time trying Raisins hot chicken. First bite for me. Cucumber. This bite for me. If you know, you know. Forgot I got Dave's loaded fries. Dave's loaded fries is so good.
Oh my gosh. I think Shake Shack probably has the best onion rings. No cap. Bro, yo, I'm so late. They got these new gochujang. Look at that. I don't know. Let's see what's up. It's cool.
First bite. Korean sausages. With fish cake. This is honestly so good because the milk kind of tames the spice, so it's not really spicy. This will be perfect for anyone who likes Buldak carbonara, but it's too spicy. With this recipe, you can add whatever you like. Usually I like to add fish cakes and rice cakes. I think anything that goes in tteokbokki would be good in this. Thank you for watching.
I made Mexican hot dogs today. You guys, these are so good. I put grilled onions, grilled peppers, mayo, mustard, bacon. I want to try this bite with curly fries and ranch. Ooh, let's see. Wow, oh my gosh. I know I'm a ranch lover, but it tastes so good with the ranch. I made the hot dogs, but I got these curly fries from Arby's. They are so good. Today we have Diet Coke in a bottle. Whoa. She's crispy. These curly fries are so crispy. The Mexican hot dogs were a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys want to see me cook next. I'm so down for anything you guys say.
I got some healthy food. Let's eat Buldak and fried chicken.
I got Five Guys today. You guys get your Five Guys, you guys have to get it with the jalapenos. It makes the biggest difference. It's so good. It's just hitting the spot right now. This is their patty melt. I love me a patty melt. It just tastes so buttery and cheesy.
Got Buldak and Wingstop, garlic parmesan. Look at that. First bite for me. Dip it in some ranch. Original hot. Wrap that. This bite looks so good. You're gonna dip that in some ranch. This bite can be for you. Y'all have a Pilates class at 6. It's 5:30 and I'm eating fucking Buldak. But cheers. More ranch. Let's just wrap that back. More ranch. Cheers. Cantrell Anytime Fitness is this white man that comes in there around 8 and 9 p.m. All he does is take a shower and leave. I want to say he's married. If you live in Little Rock and your husband goes to the Cantrell freaking gym, he is cheating. I don't know, but I think he's cheating. He be in the bathroom for too freaking long. He literally goes to the bathroom, takes a shower for like an hour, 90 minutes, and literally that's it, he leaves. Why? And then, like, I don't get it. He literally looks like a business husband, married man. I just want to look out for y'all. Also, y'all, the setting spray I'm using is the new Urban Decay Matte Setting Spray, and I am sweating hot as fuck, but you can't even tell because the setting spray is so good, period. Urban Decay, sponsor me. I love you. This is my last bye.
Today, we have Popeyes.
First bite. Mac and cheese, chicken, fries. Wow.
Hey y'all, so today I made that croissant, Caesar salad croissant.
I am like in shock with this burger. This might be my new favorite burger in San Diego. The flavor on this is insane. The ranch here is also so good. I'm obsessed with this place. This is my last bite. I'm definitely coming back. I can't wait to come back already. Don't have high hopes for their fries, but let's not judge a book by its cover. My bad. My bad.
You said shut the fuck up.
Yeah. They said shut up. They know what they're doing here. And it's working because everything is so good. Lastly, I also got their chocolate milkshake. As you can see, I already tried it. So good. This place is really delicious. They know how to make a classic burger. So one more bite. It's so good.
Taco 2. Yo, we trying out a spot today called Straight Up Tacos. Just finished training. This is tri-tip. I don't know how I'm feeling about these. I don't know. Paid $40 for all this. That's crazy. Even like these, even like the pickled veggies and the fried and the chiles were like almost $4. I don't know. They are bigger than street tacos, but they don't got much flavor. Look at this lime. Straight Up Tacos? I don't know about this one. How'd that look though? $40. This the tri-tip. Like, I'm just eating it off camera. It just tastes like tough. It just tastes overcooked, bro. They had a 4.7 and 1,400 reviews on Yelp.